Have you ever felt like there's an invisible wall between you and your dreams? Maybe you want success, happiness, or fulfillment, but something holds you back. A persistent voice that says, "I'm not good enough, I don't deserve this," or "this isn't possible for me." These are limiting beliefs, the subconscious thoughts that shape our reality, often without us even realizing it. Limiting beliefs are mental barriers that restrict us from achieving our true potential. They can come from early life experiences, societal conditioning, past failures, or even the stories we tell ourselves over time. The good news is, these beliefs are not permanent. They're simply thoughts that have been repeated so many times that they've become ingrained. And just as they were learned, they can be unlearned and replaced with empowering beliefs. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can identify and overcome these limiting beliefs and mental blocks. By the end, you'll have the tools to free yourself from these internal barriers and open up to a life filled with possibilities. Step 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step to overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. This might sound straightforward, but often, these beliefs are so deeply ingrained that they feel like facts rather than opinions. To begin, reflect on areas of your life where you feel stuck or held back. For instance, if you struggle with relationships, there might be a belief like, "I'm not worthy of love," or "people always leave me." If you find it hard to achieve financial success, maybe there's a belief like, "Money is hard to come by," or "I don't deserve to be wealthy." Take a moment to write down any negative thoughts that come up in different areas of your life, whether they're about money, relationships, health, or self-worth. By writing them down, you bring them into your awareness, turning vague feelings into concrete statements that you can work with. Another way to identify limiting beliefs is to notice your emotional reactions. When you feel frustration, doubt, or fear, pause and ask yourself, what thought is causing this feeling? Often, these intense emotions are triggered by underlying beliefs about yourself or the world. Step 2. Question the validity of these beliefs. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to question them. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? For example, if you have a belief like, "I'm not smart enough to succeed," ask yourself, where's the evidence for this? Is there any real, objective proof that you aren't smart enough? And even if there is, are there not ways to learn, grow, and improve? Challenge these beliefs by finding counterexamples. Look back at times when you succeeded, even if they were small achievements. Remind yourself that everyone has the capacity to grow, and intelligence or talent is not fixed. It can be cultivated over time. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Often, limiting beliefs come from past experiences or things that people told us when we were younger. Maybe a teacher once told you that you weren't creative, or maybe a past relationship made you feel unworthy. Recognizing the origin of a belief can help you see it as a story you've been holding on to, rather than an absolute truth. Step 3. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs. Now that you've questioned the validity of your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering ones. If you've been telling yourself, "I'm not worthy of success," replace that with, "I am deserving of success, happiness, and fulfillment." If your belief was, "I'm not talented enough," change it to, "I have the ability to learn and grow, and my potential is limitless." Affirmations are powerful tools for replacing old beliefs. An affirmation is a positive, present tense statement that you repeat to yourself to help rewrite your subconscious mind. For example, if you struggle with self-worth, an affirmation could be, I am enough just as I am. If you struggle with money, you might say, I attract abundance into my life easily and effortlessly. When you use affirmations, it's important to truly feel them, even if they don't seem true yet. Imagine the life you would have if you believed these statements fully. Visualization can also be a great complement to affirmations. Picture yourself living a life without the limitations that held you back. Feel the joy, freedom, and empowerment that come from overcoming your blocks. Step 4. Take action aligned with your new beliefs. Changing your beliefs is an important step, but real transformation happens when you take action that aligns with your new beliefs. If you've been telling yourself, I'm capable and confident, take steps that reflect that belief. Start with small actions that reinforce your new mindset. For example, if your goal is financial abundance, begin by taking control of your finances, learning about investments, or exploring new income opportunities. If you've replaced I'm not good enough with I am worthy of love, start by treating yourself with kindness and respect, setting boundaries, and pursuing relationships that make you feel valued. Taking action also includes being mindful of your language. When you hear yourself say things like, I can't, replace it with I can learn or I'll try. Small changes in the way you speak to yourself reinforce the new beliefs you're trying to adopt. And remember, setbacks are part of the journey. When challenges arise, view them as opportunities to strengthen your new beliefs, rather than proof that the old ones were true. Consistently taking action, even in the face of obstacles, gradually shifts your subconscious and reinforces that you're capable of achieving your goals. Step 5. Practice gratitude and celebrate your progress. As you work to overcome limiting beliefs, remember to celebrate every bit of progress. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you do have, opening your mind to new possibilities. Gratitude is a powerful tool that amplifies positive beliefs. When you feel grateful, your brain releases chemicals that enhance your mood and reinforce your commitment to positive change. Take time each day to reflect on your achievements, even the small ones. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how minor it might seem. Recognizing progress keeps you motivated and sends a message to your subconscious mind that change is possible and happening. Gratitude also helps you remain present, which is key in the process of changing beliefs. When you're focused on the present moment, it's easier to release the weight of past failures or future worries. This present-mindedness helps create a solid foundation for your new beliefs to flourish. Overcoming limiting beliefs and mental blocks is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Remember, beliefs are not truths. They're simply thoughts we've repeated so often that we accepted them as facts. By identifying, questioning, and replacing these beliefs with empowering ones, you give yourself the freedom to live a life that reflects your true potential. Don't let past experiences or old stories dictate what you can achieve. You have the power to create new beliefs that support your dreams, desires, and goals. Every step you take, every action aligned with your new beliefs, brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. So, start today. Identify your beliefs, question them, replace them, and take action. Embrace gratitude along the way and watch as your life begins to transform. The only limit is the one you believe in, and now you're ready to break through it.